The big one.
Hey guys, me Madison.
And Mariah.
And we Sister Sweet. And today we're going to be trying slime liquors.
Yes.
And go follow our website, Sister Mariah.
That's sweet.
SisterSweets.com.
Let's try these bugs.
Wait, which one will try? Red.
Where's the lip gloss in, Madison?
I did.
Yeah.
What kind of self-promoting y'all got going on?
3, 2, 1.
It's not even sour.
Tastes like juice.
Oh, it is a little bit. Got a little. They got a little flame to it. Yeah.
That's flat.
It's this splat.
Yes,
Got
the
a
splat. It's the splat.
Open this.
Ooh, the blue one's my favorite. Bro, that one bussin'. Sheesh, that's some bussin'.
I like both of them.
Why is all this stuff on her?
I don't know. And
Sheesh, that's some bussin'.
That blue one ain't busting. It hit different.
Bro, that's some bussin'.
You agree.
Sheesh.
That stuff is busting.
Sheesh,
that's
some
bussin'.
bussin'.
Move, Lucy.
That's my
You eat
sister.
the
Go brush your teeth after eating that slime liquor. His whole mouth blue. Which one is your favorite?
The blue.
Both of them are my favorite.
More young said.
All right.
Oh, look at his tongue. That part all the way over here. That part all the way over here.
Shout out to Sister Sweets.
Follow him.
Then this part all the way over here. And then this part all the way over here.
What's your website? www.sistersweets.com.
Go put it on the screen.
Oh, we don't do that?
Yeah.
We know how to do that?
Yeah.
Right there?
Yeah.
Alright, Let's test our gangster.
Wait, what y'all trying to do?
Add that website. What about Instagram?
Give me that.
Right
I want to try it real.
Say it. What is
Let
it?
me try.
Sister Sweet.
Polka dot.
Sister dot sweets.
Oh, okay. Double it up then. Double up.
Sheesh.
And go follow our TikTok. Sister Sweets.
All these nasty. Y'all finna be eating these all day, ain't y'all? When they run out, y'all go.
Ray, I found him in.
Below.
How many times do we have to go to Five Below to find him, though?
Like about
20.
45,000 million.
Yeah, I got him, though.
I